Enter a world of unstoppable power with the giants of harvesting power tech. These horsepower titans rule the forest, cutting through wood like it's nothing, and redefining efficiency with every move. Not just a machine, a revolution in forestry innovation. Oh my God, this is crazy. Look at that tree. It's huge. You have to concentrate on every cut, otherwise it's game over. One mistake and things can go wrong very quickly. Respect to the professionals who take this like it's nothing seriously. They're here to make it look easy. Imagine you attach the HYPR 0755 to your tractor. Add the FG for 5 and in just a few hours, the entire forest is as neat as a manicured lawn. With these two machines, forestry work is no longer a struggle. It is a show, so what are you waiting for? This duo will not only save you time, but will also make you a shining star in the forestry world. You have to watch this video. I'm serious, it's definitely one of the most exciting scenes you'll ever see in the forestry industry. Two horses, strong and agile, work together to pull a 5,000 kilograms Hulaman tractor up a steep slope. It's not just a beautiful scene, but a showcase of the perfect combination of animal power and technology. This video is sure to get you thinking, but it's also a lesson in anticipating problems and never taking things for granted. In the forestry industry, machines don't always play their cards, and wood can be a challenge for even the most seasoned hands. The Arius Raptor 40. This machine is a hungry vulture, designed to handle plant waste, trees, leaves, branches, and other debris from forestry areas, parks, or urban areas. The Raptor XL is truly a powerful and durable tool. This is a situation that foresters often encounter. When you work in the forest, difficult conditions are always an inevitable part of it, and if you have never tried using a bit load to pull yourself out in difficult conditions, you will never understand how difficult this job is. Drop one in the comments if our videos amaze you. Your support fuels our creative fire. And I bet when you fire up that 3-1 to OXP, you won't just want to cut wood, you'll want to explore the whole forest just to see how cool it is. It feels like that saw could cut through anything, and honestly, it probably can. Pulling out a stubborn tree stump, using physics and mechanics, now we're talking about applying some serious engineering to a real-world problem. There's a lot of fun to be had with this, so let's see how it goes. Oh my gosh, when you start the Johnster 2045. It's like magic, the 2.5 horsepower motor and sharp chains make cutting trees so easy. You'll cut through thick trunks like it's no big deal, just like the chainsaw boasts.
Ja, peace Sao det är?
Oh boy, this is definitely one of T. Ho's videos that everyone loves, an impressive display of silky driving skills in extremely harsh conditions.
Có lẽ là xe ôm không hết cua và phải ve lại một đoạn. Ôi, chiếc xe đó đang nghiêng. Rất tuyệt. Đợi xe cút nó vào cứu. Hôm nay thì con xe này mạnh hơn.
Oh my gosh, when you see a truck slowly crawling across the Marmora Bridge. It's like watching a high-stakes game of Jenga. But with a truck full of wood, each will barely moves. And you feel like the whole thing is hanging on by a thread, one small mistake and boom. The truck could lose its balance, and let me tell you, the thrill is at its peak. Watch this thrill ride. Oh, you're asking about the Biter SL640, right? This is the ultimate wood chipper for serious foresters. This thing is the king of chippers. Got a huge pile of wood to process, just throw it in and boom. The SL640 will turn it all into smooth wood chips. Perfect for compost, bedding, or even industrial feedstock. Its speed and efficiency will blow your mind. If you work in Q, the Massie Ferguson 3060 has probably become an indispensable part of life here. A reliable, durable machine that is always ready to face any challenge. I'll be honest, when you turn this thing on, it feels like you're flying a jet plane. It roars vroom and starts chewing through, but at a speed that will have you gasping for breath. And that's a wrap for today's adventure. If these heavy machines got your adrenaline pumping, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss the action. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. The jungle is waiting and the next adventure is just around the corner. See you in the next video. Let's keep this ride rolling.